Dietitian Deanna here, your grocery store registered dietitian, helping you make healthy decisions in the grocery store aisles so you can make nutritious choices at home and on the go. This anti-inflammatory recovery smoothie will help re-energize, rehydrate, and recover you after a hard workout. Our diet and lifestyle can really affect the inflammation levels in our body, and this recovery smoothie is a great way to fit in some anti-inflammatory foods, fiber, fats, and hydrating and antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables. So first I'm going to start with the liquid. I'm going to add a half cup of orange juice to add the antioxidant vitamin C to the smoothie. And then I'm going to add another half cup of soy milk. And the reason why I chose soy milk, you can also do regular dairy milk as well. But if you want like a plant-based alternative, I chose soy milk because it's the closest thing to dairy milk nutritionally. All right, so I did half a cup of that. And always make sure to add some fluids, because during the winter, we're losing water through our breathing. Like when you can see your breath in the cold winter air, that's actually you losing water. And the cold weather actually affects our thirst cues, so we tend to drink less water throughout the winter. So this is a great way to fit in some hydrating fluids and fruits. So then I'm going to spice it up with some anti-inflammatory spices. So I'm going to add some ginger. You can also add some turmeric. That's another strong anti-inflammatory spice, along with garlic and cinnamon. But today I'm just going to add some freshly grated ginger. You can do the ginger powder as well. And you can keep ginger in your freezer, the ginger root, and wrap it up in some tin foil and take it out whenever you need and just grate it out right frozen. You don't have to de-thaw or anything. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. Inflammation is associated with many chronic diseases like cancer, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and so adding more anti-inflammatory foods can really help to manage, prevent, in some cases even reverse some of those chronic diseases. And so that's why I'm adding as many anti-inflammatory foods as possible. So next, we're going to start with some fruits and vegetables. So I'm going to first add some carrots just to get some of that beautiful orange color to complement the orange in the smoothie. And then I'm going to add some cauliflower. So there we have a lot of our colors. We have orange and white from the cauliflower and the carrots. And then you're going to puree this, and then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. All right, so then I'm going to add the fruits. I'm going to do half of a frozen banana and then a cup of frozen mango. I think frozen mango is my favorite thing to put in smoothies because it always gives it such a delicious flavor. And then we need some protein to rebuild our muscles. So you can do whey protein, you could do Greek yogurt. Right here I have silken tofu, and so that I love putting some silken tofu in the smoothie because it makes it very creamy. You don't want to choose a firm tofu because that will be too hard for a smoothie, so make sure it's silken when you choose it out. But for this smoothie, I'm going to do Greek yogurt. I'm using our family Greek yogurt in about 1 cup. And the reason why I chose Greek yogurt is because fermented foods like yogurt promote gut health through beneficial bacteria and aid inflammation and recovery. So you always want to prioritize unsaturated fats, and that's what I'm going to add here. You can add some peanut butter, you can add some avocado. Today I'm going to add some avocado chunks to the smoothie because I love adding avocado because it gives it just like a really smooth texture, and especially avocado with like a chocolate based smoothie is really good as well. So I'm going to add that in here too. Last but not least, I'm going to add a small pinch of salt. The salt will, one, bring out the flavors of the other ingredients in the smoothie, but the reason why I add it to a recovery smoothie is because post-workout you probably have lost some electrolytes, mainly sodium, through your sweat, and sodium is lost in the greatest amount during your workout. So that's why I add just a pinch of salt to help you replenish that sodium that you lost through your sweat during the workout. So let's blend this up and see what it looks like. So you can recover, re-energize, and fight inflammation with this smoothie. It's been a long, hard day, and I'm gonna go recover.